Hi friends, welcome to Mohammedsworld YouTube channel. Experiments with Circuit Learning Kit. Let's get started. Part 4. In this video, we are going to cover first how to insert battery in copod and battery check. Second, series and parallel connection. First, we need to take copod and second CR3032 3 volts battery. Insert battery as shown. You need to insert battery in minus and plus should be showed up. We need battery copod, red LED and jumper wires, and let's check battery. We need to take 3 volts battery copod and a red LED and jumper wires. Yes, battery works. Series connection required copods. 3 volts battery copod, red LED, green LED, 4 jumper wires. No, series connection does not work. Parallel connection required copods. 3 volts battery copod, red LED, green LED, and 4 jumper wires. Yes, parallel connection works. Next video coming soon, part 5. Final part 5, end of series. Friends, if anyone have doubts, please comment me. Please like, share and subscribe to Mohammedsworld YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.